Hello, I'm Ricki Lee, and today on the watch list, I'm joined by Matthew Wragg, CEO of Gattaca PLC. The company has reported strong first half trading with net fee income of £21.2 million, up 7% a like-for-like basis, and contract NFI rising 13% year on year, ahead of expectations. Matthew, welcome to the watch list.
Thanks for having me, Ricki.
So, Matthew, H1 net fee income reached £21.2 million, like I just mentioned, with contract NFI up 13% year on year. What were the key drivers behind that growth across your core sectors?
I think starting with those core sectors, actually, I think for the last 3 years, we have been consistently looking at how we improve every part of the organisation. And really that's seen us go from reducing the number of sites we have globally, reducing the number of sectors that we try to be dominant in, really focusing on the services that we want to provide, and really focusing on the culture and the standards it takes to get in and also be successful in the business. So really, like most successes, it has many, many different facets to it, but fundamentally great culture and a really clear focus on where we want to be famous. Being brave to not try and be distracted by other opportunities that are outside of those channels.
Great. And you've expressed confidence in the outlook. So what are you most excited to invest next to sustain that momentum?
I think momentum is a really key word. It takes a long time to build up momentum, and we've been doing that over a number of years. So one, I'm just excited to see where that takes us, but we don't like resting on our laurels. Really, there isn't any sector that we are focused on which doesn't still offer huge market share opportunities to us, let alone growing market conditions. And we're a very strong business in the likes of energy, defence, water, cyber, all markets that are seeing huge demand and shortage of supply, which obviously is key to any provider of specialist labour. So really, I think it's just continuing to double down and focus on our organic growth, as well as continue to explore the opportunities for inorganic growth, but only when it really will make us better as an organisation. Scale is one thing, but actually just being better and better and better is our real focus, and we're confident that that will bring scale as a result rather than driving.
Great stuff. And Gattaca continues to position itself as a specialist talent partner. So what's the long-term vision you want investors and clients to understand?
I think we spent the last 3-4 years updating the market every 6 months, and we've been delivering on everything we said we would do and a little bit more each update. So I think it's, as a potential investor, it's about that. It's about delivering on those expectations. We have a commitment around dividend. We want to be a dividend yielding stock, and we're back in that habit now, which is an important habit to have. So I think it's one with a very clear strategy, focus on markets which are attractive, 40 plus years of experience. We've got a great heritage. And right now we've really been rebuilding that culture and that momentum. So we've got something really exciting going on in our organisation. I think our shares in the last 12 months have seen a considerable increase, but I think they're still yet to get back to a re-rating as to where we really should be. So hopefully continued positive momentum on the share price as well.
Yeah, well, fingers crossed for you. Thank you for your time today, Matthew.
Thanks, Ricki.
Once again, that is Matthew Wragg, CEO of Gattaca PLC. For more on the company's trading update and growth strategy, visit gattaca.com. That's all for this episode of The Watch List. I'm Ricki Lee. Make good choices today.